How to fix profile view option not showing on the TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go and open your TikTok. Now once you're in, you have to go on your profile, and here you have to click on these three horizontal lines and go on the settings and the privacy. Here you have to again scroll down and go on the report a problem. Now once you're in, here you have to again scroll down and go on the submit a report. Now here you have to submit a report that is please fix profile views option not showing. You can also add the screenshot of it, and after this you have to simply submit this. Now you have to go on your phone settings, and here you have to click on the app management and go on the app settings. Now here you have to search for the TikTok, and here you have to click on the storage and the cache and clear the cache. After clearing the cache, you have to go on the Google Play Store, and here you have to again search for the TikTok. Now once you're in, you have to update your TikTok. After this you have to restart your phone. So yeah, this is how you can fix profile view option not showing.